Hello everyone. If you are tired of making simple, static, and boring slides, then this tutorial is exactly for you. Today, I am going to show you a powerful Morph-based animation technique that instantly transforms your presentation into a smooth, modern, and eye-catching visual story. We will use just 4 images and a few simple steps to build a stunning animated slide that works perfectly for topics like biotic nature, abiotic nature, physical nature, interaction nature, or any other 4 concept layout. Let's get started. I have these 4 images: biotic nature, abiotic nature, physical nature, and interaction nature. First, select all the pictures. Go to picture format, open crop to shape, and choose rounded rectangle to give a clean, modern look. Duplicate the slide. On the first slide, slightly rotate the pictures left and right to add a natural scattered look. Now select all the pictures and align them center and middle from the arrangement. On the second slide, insert a rounded rectangle and drag it like this. Remove the outline and choose color from shape fill. Align the shape center and middle. Go to format shape, open the shadow setting, choose outer shadow, reduce transparency, increase the size, and add a soft blur. This creates a subtle floating effect. Add your title and short information. Select the text and the rectangle and group them. Now go to the transition tab and apply the more transition. Next, duplicate the slide again. Move all 4 pictures out of the slide area. Select the abiotic nature image and increase its size to fill the entire slide. Align it center and middle. Duplicate the slide again. Delete the current full screen image and increase its size to full slide. Duplicate again. Repeat the same step for the third image. Duplicate again and repeat the same for fourth image. Now go to the first slide and start the slide sheet. You will see a beautiful smooth zoom in effect as each concept takes over the screen one by one, guided by more transition. This technique works for lesson, comparison, nature topics, business slide, timeline, and any 4 topic presentation where you want your audience attention to smoothly shift from one concept to the next. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more creative PowerPoint ideas. Comment your topic below and I will create a full animation tutorial for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.